it's barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go,
Memory.
Anyways, Lyne has always been a great friend. She's never been in any drama. Anytime any of her friends are arguing or fighting, she always wants to stop the problem. She came out and supported me. She's always there for me. And I appreciate it, so I had to come and show her some love. Happy birthday. Thank you. Okay, next.
I don't have much to say. Okay, I don't have much to say, but I just want to say happy birthday. I enjoy myself. Manger tout ça pour vous et pour continuer à l'école pour finir, ok? Et pour mon âge.
We have to finish what you guys. Stop saying who's next. Come on.
Okay, for the little that I know you, I think that like you're a good person. You fun to be with. Like I like you. I like your vibe. You're the kind of person that I like. I can be friends with. Like yeah, 'cause I'm not friendly, but for the little that I know you, I like you. And happy birthday. Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Okay, so
Guys.
you're gonna videotape me? You have the camera on my face. Like,
Okay.
Step back there.
Okay, so I want to wish you a happy birthday at first, and then I'm glad that I have you as a close friend or best friend, whatever it is. But yeah,
Don't forget.
like we always
Yeah, get jealous here, bro.
we always together. Like we went through a lot for this to happen. Like I was with her every day, like trying to make this happen. And then I want to tell you that I love you, and I'll always be there for you. Whenever you need me, just call me and stuff. I will always be there for you. And then you've been a great friend to me, and then I appreciate you. I was going through something, like I was going through a hard time in my life, and I was dealing with depression and everything. You was there for me. Like I needed somebody to talk to. You was there, so I appreciate all that. Not anyone that you can call and tell your business and stuff, and then that's gonna like take it away and trying to like give you good advice and everything. But you did that for me, so I want to thank you for that. And then I wish you a very happy birthday. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, tout le monde connaît Lyne, c'est best friend, right? Yeah, tout le monde connaît ça. Moi, ma Lyne, non, like, nous t'ai fait, vraiment pas parler. C'est comme si c'était un cabraché. But yeah, I feel you, girl. Yeah, moi, Lyne t'a fait 2 mois de pas parler. C'est comme si nous t'ai fait 10 ans de pas parler. Parce que nous t'es vraiment à l'aise. Nous avons une discussion. Et que parfois, ou à l'aise avec moi, il y a des bagailles, on t'a dit ça, ou dit des gens, on va te poser le corps. Mais des gens, on dit des bagailles avec moi, on va te poser le corps. So, nous devons m'aider, moi-même, Lyne, et Lyne, nous devons parler de certaines bagailles, et nous devons connaître pas moi-même et pas tout. C'est faute.
Yeah, kind of, yeah.
C'est pas maman qui t'a menti sur moi. To so, Lely, yeah, for the Korean women, déjà, I love her so much. Like, I'm telling you, sometimes it's okay. It's okay. I love you.
All right, so now if we don't have any other speech or anybody that have something to say, now we're gonna be opening the gift. So I want the birthday girl to come sit over here so we can open the gift. Who bring it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Good here. That's on top.
Okay.
Top. I hope it fits. It's a baby suit, baby.
Oh, Common.
Okay.
That's nice.
Yeah. We're going to the beach.
Yes,
I
thank you,
think if
baby.
we see the man it doesn't fit, so you can exchange it.
I think it's gonna fit. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, the bottom for you. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Woo! I said it's on this side of the sister. Woo! Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God, that's nice. That's nice. Yes. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Nanette, thank you, boo boo.
You're welcome, baby. It's the
Okay.
That's what she wanted.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. That's a
Louis.
I already know what it is.
Let me see. Oh, open it. I want to see too. No, that's not bad.
So much. I think that's
No,
it, right? No, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Yeah.
The person's not here, so I don't.
Yeah, it's not
Okay.
here.
Alright. I think that's it. Now I have an envelope. Y'all need to open it?
Not
Yeah.
But here is very important, right?
Yeah, I already asked. She said it.
I think that's it.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you for coming. I know I was late. I know. I can give you that. There's a lot was going on, so I'm so sorry. And then thank you for coming. I really enjoy. Okay? And I hope y'all enjoy too. The food. I know.
But not today. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what color she like? I give her
Two.
okay. You know what color she like? What color?
You can start like one by
Okay,
one.
so it's 2 colors.
One by me.
If you need time to think, it's time to think.
That's it. Be quiet.
I'm not gonna say you got it all right until I hear everybody answer. Okay?
Alright.
We're gonna start from here and go like this.
Okay.
So you first.
Blue and white.
Thank you. Go ahead. I'm not gonna say if you have it right or not. I'm just gonna.
Purple and pink.
All right, thank you.
Cause look at this.
Okay.
Mine's yellow and blue too.
All right. Go ahead.
Red and blue.
Go ahead.
I got red and blue.
Go ahead.
Red and silver.
Go ahead.
Wear black.
Go ahead.
I'm going best in Balada.
You can go.
I think it's red and blue, but it's
Okay,
red and
blue.
yellow.
You can give 2 answers, only one.
No, she said 2 colors.
Okay.
No,
did
you
you
give like 4. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Where's your hand if you say red?
I said red.
Okay, everybody that say red, you're gonna participate to the second round.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you missing a color.
You said pink and
You
blue.
miss a color,
Wait,
yeah.
you do black, you
If you say
do,
red,
you do.
you're not
It's
moving to the
red.
second
I
round.
said red and black.
You didn't say that was the second round.
Because
But I want
you
y'all to, yeah.
The reason why nobody have it,
Oh.
so if you don't have it, we're gonna do a second round. The second one is only the person that have the red. We're gonna move on. You have the red now. You need one more. So we're gonna start from here and go down.
Alright.
What's ready? Let's go.
Red and yellow. I don't care.
Go ahead. 1, 2.
Blue.
Go ahead.
Orange.
Go ahead. 1,
2.
2.
Oh, he needs to participate.
None of you guys got it right.
He needs to participate. Yeah, di ba
Blue and
ba?
white.
Nobody got it right.
I know it.
Tell.
Can I be black?
Red and purple.
No, you're not. Okay.
Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna give it.
No.
red.
No. Let's do one more round. Just them.
Me?
Red and purple.
I'm on it?
No, this one. Go ahead.
Go
one more
ahead.
round.
Nobody
1,
said pink.
2, 3,
White.
4.
I mean,
White.
Yellow.
Yeah. 1.
Pink.
Go ahead.
No, no, pink a lot.
Go ahead.
Purple.
Go ahead. All right, Jackie got it right.
Yeah. Pink.
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 You lying. I'm seeing.
I'm not lying. I'm not lying. I got the first one, red, because that's my really, really favorite color.
Red.
Alright.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Fordley. Happy birthday to you.
Are you one?
The money.
I'm Tutu! Woo!
Drink. 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 Drink.
Let's